Hello Ate Neil O'Neil, congratulations for being monetized. The episode of reaching 4,000 watch hour was finally over. It was kind of difficult journey, but you made it. And now you are monetized, another chapter, another sleepless night. But I'm going with you throughout your journey, me and your organic family. We win as one. Again, congratulations. God bless and God's.
What's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Janet and Harish. Sorry. Ito pala ay greeting sa aking pinakamamahal na kaibigan, Neil O'Neil. Congratulations! Yay! Monetize channel na rin, kapatid. Maraming salamat sa palagi mong support sa aming channel. Maraming salamat at huwag kang mag-alala dahil nandito lang kami. Nakasuporta palagi sa iyo, Janet and Irish. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Sisi. God bless you more. Mwah!
Good morning and good afternoon po and good evening sa inyong lahat yan. Kape po tayo. Today is morning, so kasalukuyang nagkakape ako. Anyway, kinocongratulate ko po si Neil O'Neil. Isa na siyang monetized channel. So congratulations po sa iyo. And I wish you good luck dito sa mundo ng YT World. Sana lumaki pa yung bahay mo at mas marami pang ma-monetize na YTC channel na manggagaling sa bahay mo. Muli, Ismoso, super mega organic shoutout po sa iyo, ma'am. Congratulations and wish you good luck. Muli, from the Third Mind here in Hong Kong. Congratulations!
Congratulations! Ayan, Neil O'Neil. Sa wakas nagbunga na ang iyong pagod at hirap sa YT. Ayan. Now, you are now monetized channel. Ayan. I would like also to extend my greetings to UPTV, Ismoso family. Ayan. Usapang Pera TV. Ayan. Maraming salamat po at nakilala ko si Usapang Pera TV and nakilala kita at ang buong Ismoso family. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations, Neil O'Neil. Kita-kit sa iyong harang. Harang is real. Ayan. Keep up the good work.
Congratulations. Congrats sa'yo for being monetized. This is the blessing for you. Ingat palagi and keep safe. Thank you very much from Mr. Rex Compadre. Thank you. God bless.
Super mega organic shout out to you, my organic sister Neil O'Neil. Kapatid. Ayan, congratulations to you, Neil O'Neil, for your well-deserved success. You are now a monetized channel. Your success is also our success and our happiness. So just continue on what you are doing and we will always be here at your back supporting you all throughout. So big up and salute to you and thank you for all your support also. Thank you so much. One love. Peace out.
Congratulations, Sisi. Nagbunga na ang iyong paghihirap, ang iyong pagpupuyat sa araw-araw. Andito na isang certified vlogger ka na, Sisi. Congratulations and good luck to your channel. Always keep uploading. I'm always here to support your channel. And thank you so much also sa pag-support mo sa amin. Nandito lang kami ng iyong family organic para supportahan ka.
Congratulations, Neil O'Neil. Isa ka na rin ganap na YouTuber at nagbunga na rin ang iyong mga pagod at pagpupuyat para lang ma-attain ang 4,000 watch hours na hingi ni YT. At maraming salamat sa tulong na binigay mo sa Balani Siblings at sana huwag kang magsawang sumuporta sa amin. Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kapwa ka-organic family. Congratulations again and good luck to your YT world journey. Neil O'Neil, God bless.
Hello, Ben! Neil O'Neil! Inday! Ayan! I'm happy for you. Congratulations dahil isa ka ng monetized channel ngayon. Ayan, so good luck to you and more revenues to come. Ayan, nagbunga na rin ang mga pagsisikap nating mag-LS ng matagalan. So I'm happy for you, Day, na ayun, sana lang ay dumami pa ang iyong subscriber at ang of course ang revenues, yun ang importante. Ayan, good luck sa iyo again and I'm happy for you. Congratulations, babe.
Magandang buhay sa iyo dyan, Neil O'Neil. O ayan, Bunsoy, isa ka ng ganap na monetize at YouTube partner. Congratulations sa iyo. Aabangan namin ang mga palabas sa iyong channel. Of course, full support kaming manonood ng iyong LS, Premiere, at sa mga upload videos mo. Nandyan lang kami lagi na nakasubaybay sa iyong channel. Once again, God bless to you. Congratulations and good luck from Argon Sales. Bye-bye!
Hello, Bunso. Neil O'Neil. Love, love, love. Love ka ni ate talaga, ha? At sana huwag kang magbago dahil isa ka ng monetize channel at ipagpatuloy mo lang ang naumpisahan mo. Pagpatuloy mo lang, go lang, mahal ka namin, mahal kita. Once again, congratulations for being a monetized channel. Neil O'Neil, napakamabait na bata. Love kita talaga, kaya ingat ka lagi at sana more blessings to come at sana more videos to come at palagi mong anuhan yung channel mo, bantayan mo maigi at mahalin mo ng lubusan. Mahal kita, Bunso. Love, love, love you. God bless you more, and once again, congratulations for being a monetized channel. Love, love, love.
Hello, Sissy Loves! Sissy Loves, happy for you, Neil O'Neil. Ayan, congratulations! Ayan, Sissy Loves, namuni ka na at umpisa pa lang yan. Huwag kang tumigil sa kaka-upload dyan. Yan ang ating buhay, Whitey. Pindot-pindot here, pindot-pindot there. Ayan, again, congratulations. Happy for you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay? Keep safe always.
Oh, what's up, ate? Message ko lang po sa iyo na once again, congratulations for being one of the monetized channel. Alam ko naman kung gaano kahirap ang dadaanan natin para lang maging monetize. Kasi ako papunta pa lang din dyan. Ate, wish ko lang na sana you stay humble, stay the same. Palagi ka pong down to earth. Alam naman namin lahat na isa ka sa pinaka mga down to earth na tao sa mundo, dito sa mundo ng YT na nakilala namin. You're always there, very supportive. Wish you luck sa yung channel po, more uploads from you. Kita-kits na lang po palagi sa sa lahat ng mga premieres niyo po, sa mga live stream niyo. Expect us to always be there for you sa lahat ng oras. Once again, I congratulate you for being one of the monetized channel. God bless to you po and to your family. Ingat po palagi. Bye!
Mega organic shoutout sa iyo. Congratulations, Sissy. Ayan, monetized channel na si Neil O'Neil. I'm so happy for you. Keep it up and stay safe always. Ayan, good luck sa next level na yung journey dito kay YT World. And once again, from John's Spot Kitchen and John's Healthy Tips, congratulations sa iyo, Neil O'Neil!
Ayan, hi Neil O'Neil! Congratulations! Isa ka ng monetized channel at nagbunga na rin yung pagod at puyat mo. At ngayon, isa ka ng partner ni Lolo. Maraming salamat sa support mo lagi. Nandiyan ka lang. Pag nag-LS ako, nag-premiere ako, nandiyan ka lang lagi. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Neil O'Neil or Koy Koy. Sana hindi ka magbago. Nandiyan ka pa rin sa support sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello. This is Steve.
Congratulations, Neil O'Neil.
For being a monetized channel. Hello, bye Neil O'Neil. Kamusta? Congratulations ulit ha sa iyong pagiging monetized channel. Now you have to do hard work now. More videos. I guess less live stream. I'm glad na nakita kita kay Usapang Pera TV. Again, congratulations again. And say it again, dear.
Congratulations, Neil O'Neil, on becoming monetized.
Alright, bye.
Hello mga kalalabs! Congratulations to Neil O'Neil, isang bagong monetized channel. Ang aking isang kaibigan simula nung una hanggang ngayon na kami pa din ang magkasama. Na kasama ko din siya noon ng isda, nagkaiwalay man kami saglit lang, pero nang dahil dito kay Usapang Pera TV, nagkasama kami ulit. Thank you bye for being a good friend and being an organic friend of mine. Thank you so much sa lahat ng suporta mo sa akin. Nandito lang din ako para
Alam kong marami kang pinagdaanan, marami tayong pinagdaanan. So, fight. Nandito lang kami sa likod mo. Na laging handang dumamay sa'yo. We love you, Neil O'Neil. Congrats sa'yo again, Tweety Bird. And God bless and take care.
Good evening. Calling from Ireland. Nais ko lang batiin ang ating kaibigan, bunso na bagong monetize, si Neil O'Neil. So, Neil O'Neil,
marami ka lang ma-achieve kasi persevere ka at hardworking ka. Marami kang hardship dati, marami kang challenges, pero nalalagpasan mo lahat yun. Stay focused lang, enjoy. This is only a start of a new journey. Always be grateful. And remember that nandito lang ako, nandito kami para supportahan ka. Continue to support all our Smoso family members. We love you. I love you. Mahal ka namin. Stay always friendly as you are. Stay humble. More blessings and God bless.
Hello! Super mega organic shoutout. Ngayong araw na to ay babatiin ko ng congratulations ang ating isang organic family na si Ate Nil O'Neil. Ate, maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam ko napakahirap ng pinagdaanan mo